Good morning, guys. We're live. I'm gonna flip the camera here. We've got a few dogs out walking this morning, boarding trains. So here we go. Good morning, Jose.
Well, good morning.
Who do you have there?
This is Sunshine.
Sunshine. She's new, right?
She's very new.
Okay.
A couple days old.
So she checked in less than a week ago for boot camp. So we're working on her walking skills. And Tammy, who do you have here?
This is Choya. She's doing very well on her first walk.
Good. Very nice. And we've had her also less than a week for the beginning of her program. And then Macy, who do you have here?
I have Nala.
And Nala is getting ready to graduate in what, 5 days?
Yeah.
So, and I am walking Miss Harper. Good morning, Harper.
Uh-oh, car coming.
All right, so we'll head out on our walk here, trying to avoid cars. Good morning, Facebook world. So again, if you're just joining us, over here on the left, we have Sunshine, new boarding train. We have Choya, and over here we have Nala, and I'm walking Harper.
Oh, so that is Wednesday, right?
Is it?
Yeah. I mean, so I have a mid-week question for everybody out there. You know, right answers only. What came first, the chicken or the egg? I mean, I've been wondering that for a couple of years now, you know, so if you guys can help me out with that, would be awesome.
How do they respond?
Just comment.
Oh, comment section. Tammy, you have any questions for Facebook out there?
No, you're putting me on the spot.
Macy?
All right, I got one from Macy.
No riddles for Macy.
No real for Macy.
Anyway,
Oh, those are always fun.
out walking board and train dogs. I'm going to sign off. Anyway,
Sign
beautiful
up.
morning.
You're gonna sign up for what?
Get out and walk your dog. We got Sunshine, Choya, Nala, and Harper. Get out and walk your dogs, guys.